Forging Friendships Season 2 is sponsored by Iron Mountain Metalcraft, located in the beautiful Pigeon Forge, Tennessee area. Go forge a memory with Forged in Fire fan favorite Robbie Bowman.
Woo!
Season 2 is also sponsored by Oklahoma Knife Group, Black Dragon Forge, Paragon Kilns, Honest Aloe, Jantz, and by viewers like you, link in description.
My name is Melissa Freeman. I am your order filler. I am the one that comes in every morning and gets your order, and I look at the pages and put them through warehouses, and because we have 3 different warehouses, I section them off in a warehouse where I don't have to do as much walking. We do a lot of walking. My job is like going shopping every day. What woman does not like to shop? So come on, people, send your orders in. Some customers like specific things. They'll send me notes. They'll tell the customer or the customer service up front. They'll say, hey, I really like this better than I do this, or, and they'll send me a note back. And so I really watch for notes. But to you customers that don't send me notes, you kind of leave it in my hands and I get to pick for you. So if you get something that's kind of fancy, that's more my thing. I like it where it's like unique. I like the unique ones. And so I pick through the bins and I find you the perfect piece. I match it up to my orders. And for example, I was going to show you, like some of our handle materials, they have like a lot of lines and detail, and then some don't have that much. So I like this. But you might like this. So if you want that, then you can send me a note or something and let me know, and I can fill your order to what you would like, because we aim to please here at Jantz Supply. We try our best to make the customer happy at all times. We're not perfect. I'm never going to say that we are, but we do try our best at everything we do. What I like about Jantz Supply is it's a family-owned business. When I got a job here, I'm going to be honest with you, I had just lost my job somewhere else, and I looked and looked and looked, and I even begged them when I came to work here, please just give me a job. I will show you how hard I work. And I'm glad they gave me the chance. And this team and this family is amazing. They are there for not only their customers, but for their helpers. I mean, their team is like, when you come to work here, you're family. I've worked here 11 years. The most memorable moment that sticks out for me is we had a customer, and I don't even know if they're around anymore. He messaged in that he wanted something drawn on his box. And so I grew up and I did a little art in school. And so they asked me to draw a picture on his box. Well, there for a while, that popped. I mean, he put it on Facebook. Everybody started wanting drawings on their boxes. And so I aim to please, guys. So at lunchtime, I would pull out my art set, and at lunch, I would draw on your box so I could get that order out. And sometimes if you asked for something that was really big, I would have to take it home, and then you'd have to get the order the next day. That was the most memorable thing. I was so excited that I could help and do what the customer asked me to do. And it was really nice. Okay, so these are my orders that I get in the morning. And I've already separated them into warehouses. So I'm just going to give you some examples of what I do every day. Okay, so for example, when I get these orders, I go through them, and if they have any 36-inch steel, I highlight them so that the girls will know that, because we have a separate place to put our steel, that they will know to go look for that. So I get that all highlighted, and then I go pick your order. Jump on the next row. Back when I first started here, we had in our computer system, it was where everything was in order, where I would start at the first row and work my way back. But now that we're trying to switch over to scanners and all that good stuff, and we've got so much more supplies and good stuff for you to look at, then we have had to change up the system a little bit. So I'm still kind of getting there. It's not as organized, but it is still on there where I can find it pretty fast. Then we'll go to warehouse 2. So I gotta come down this aisle, and you ordered a mosaic panel. Come follow me. We gotta get you some powdered steel. And then I get it all, I take it back to your cart and move on to the next. But that's just a small little thing, showing you exactly what I do every day. So nice to see you, and I hope to see some of your names in my stack soon.